Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a crispy and protein-rich snack, Chicken Suji Nashta. It's crunchy outside, soft inside and bursting with flavor. Let's begin. In a pan, pour 1 cup of water. Add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Let it boil. Now add half cup suji or semolina. Mix well and cook until it leaves the sides of the pan. Suji is often used in sweet dishes, but it's amazing in savory snacks too. It's a popular tea time treat across many South Asian homes. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. In a bowl, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes, half cup boiled shredded chicken, 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Adding chicken gives it a rich texture and extra flavor. This snack is a creative twist on traditional cutlets. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Mix everything until well combined. Now add the cooked suji into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup flour. Mix it into a smooth dough. Always cool the suji mixture before kneading to avoid burns. Take some dough, roll it gently, and cut into round shapes. Roll the dough evenly for even cooking. Place the chicken potato mixture in the center. Make sure the filling isn't too watery or it may break while frying. Cover with another suji dough. Make pattern with a spatula. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and crispy. Use medium heat while frying to get the perfect golden color. Suji is low in fat and easy to digest. Chicken adds lean protein, perfect for growing kids. Your chicken suji nashta is ready to serve. Have you tried suji in a savory snack before? Like, share and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. Thanks for being with us on Enoven Foods. See you soon with another delicious recipe.